Hi, I'm David Fetterman. I just want to show you how to create a bar chart using Google Sheets. I've opened up Google Sheets. Just Google Sheets is basically a spreadsheet, and I've just plunked in this information about smoke-free parks. Uh, and the goal is to have 100 smoke-free parks in these counties we're working with by the end of the year. So the goal is 100, as you can see, all the way across. And we want to have 25 more every quarter as we build up towards it. 25, 25 more, 50, another 25, and another 25 to equal the goal. In reality, they only were able to get 5 smoke-free parks in the first quarter. So instead of slapping anyone on the wrist, you go, who knows how to do this? And we invite them, they give us ideas, we adapt them, and look at this. By the second quarter, 30. Then we get some help from the CDC and some other folks. Boom, we made it to our third quarter milestone, 75. Boom, we made it to 100 at the end of the year. This allows us to monitor our progress over time and make mid-course corrections. All I want to do today, though, is show you how to make a bar chart out of it. So I just put in the information, actual, milestone, goal. I put in 4 quarters. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this little box here, this A4, just drag all the way down to, over here, E7. That's all I did. Then I'm going to go over to charts right here, click. And if you wait a second, boom, that's it. Oops, that's not what I want. What I want, see it says actual milestone goal. I really want quarter 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the actual in each one of these, the milestone for each one and goal. So I go all the way over here and switch rows and columns. See it's under chart editor. Click on that, watch what happens. That's it. Now I have Q1, but I have the actual compared to the milestone, compared to the goal. That way I can monitor change over time, just visually. Now you can get fancy with this as well. And you can click on these things over here, and you can put in data labels like this. See, 100. And I want them maybe in all of them. So data labels. And once again, data labels. Very simple, very straightforward. That's about it. I can show you fancy stuff if you want. If you go to the chart style over here, you can change it to different kinds of styles. You can change the 3D component if you wanted to, see a little fancy like that. There are many things you can do. Change the border color if you want to say red or purple or blue or whatever you really want to do. What I like though is after the chart style, then there's the chart over here, the title. You see it says Q1, 2, 3, 4. I don't want that. I want it to be I want it to be evaluation, monitoring dashboard. And see it changes already? I also want it to be just like Word. Click here in the middle. You get the idea. I can do bells and whistles and change all the rest of the things that I want just by looking at this. See? Chart subtitle, horizontal axis over here. I can just put down activities. And activities is right there. I can put in the vertical axis over here and just put in, oh, let's see. Let's go percentage. Let's do that. Accomplished. Done. Anyway, you get the idea. That's all I want to show you for today. I hope this is useful in learning how to use an evaluation monitoring dashboard, but also how to use Google Sheets and create your own bar charts. Thank you. Have a good day.